Hey everyone, Sergio with the RideShare Guy. Welcome to another episode of Sergio's Diaries. What has happened to incentives, quests, ride challenges, ride streaks, boost, turbo, all that good stuff, right? All the hocus pocus incentives that have become basically fare replacement these days on both apps, on Uber and Lyft. But what has happened to them in general? Specifically the quests and ride challenges. Those used to make up about 40% of my weekly earnings. Well, they have either been severely reduced or totally eliminated, such as in case of Uber and Lyft. I have not seen a quest or a ride challenge for months now. But Lyft just sent me this in-app message saying that in order for you to get bonuses or incentives back, as you guys can see in the screenshot, I had to do one trip at least a month or every 30 days. Well, Lyft, I have done at least 20 for the last 2 consecutive months. Still, no turbo, no happy hour, no ride challenge, nothing. So this goes for all of you who said, oh yeah, I'm getting those juicy ride challenges because I kissed David Risher's butt. Well, what about it? Where are they? I guess you all were wrong, huh? So, what do you guys think? Can you guys survive with upfront fares, base rates, no surge, and no incentives? And when we say under upfront fares, driver earnings have been severely reduced, is one of the reasons is exactly this. There is no incentive to drive. I mean, if you're out there driving for base rates these days, you're definitely making less money, and you should definitely consider your numbers. Some cities are still doing well because there's surge, but in cities like where I drive, LA, there's practically no surge left. And without incentives, driving for base rates at $20 to $22 an hour before expenses, no, I'd rather go flip burgers, honestly, for $20 in California. But what are you seeing in your cities? How are your incentives? Actually, one thing I need to add to this video is that I agree with Lyft. I think they should send incentives to people who are driving almost full-time for them or putting a lot of work for them. I do 20 trips a month. Lyft goes, big deal. You have to do probably 40. I'm pretty sure within their algorithms, it's written somewhere that once a driver does 30 trips a month consecutively, probably he will start getting incentives again. But that's a different topic. But actually on this one, I kind of agree with Lyft that at least you should do some trips in order to benefit from those incentives. Please join us every Tuesday, 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern at Show Me the Money Club. And more importantly, please stay healthy and be safe out there.